Alright, today we're going to learn three simple words. But not just words, but the meaning and how to actually use them in real life. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Adam, and this is English with Adam. Now let's begin. Alright, the first word is eat. So, eat means to put food in your mouth and swallow it. Basically, when you have a meal, you eat. Simple, right? Alright, let's say it again. Eat. Eat. Not ate, it'll be eat. Now, the thing is, this word is used every day. Example, I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. And notice how it sounds natural. This is something you can say every day. Another example would be, I want to eat. That's it. Super useful. You can also say, let's eat. Oh, and it's a very common one too, especially when you're with family or friends. So just remember, eat means to have food. Alright, the second word is go. Now, go means to move from one place to another. So when you leave your house, you go somewhere. Let me say it clearly. Go. Go. Example, I go to school. I go to school. You can also say, I go to work. I go to work. Or I go home. I go home. And you hear this word all the time. It's everywhere in English. Here's another one you might hear a lot. Let's go. Let's go. It's very common and it means you want to leave or you want to start something. So yeah, so go means to move or travel somewhere. The third word is happy. And this one is a feeling. Happy. So happy means you feel good. You feel joy, you feel positive. Let's say it again. Happy. Happy. And let's use it in a sentence. I feel happy. Or I am happy. I feel happy. Another one is she is happy or they are happy. Now, this word is really important because it allows you to talk about emotions. And emotions are a big part of speaking English. It allows you to just not say things, but to express them as well. So yeah, so happy means feeling good. Alright, let's go over everything and let's put it together. First word is eat, to have food. Example, I eat breakfast. Second would be go, which means to move somewhere. I go to work. Third word is happy, which means feeling happy. Example. Well, I feel happy. So it means feeling good technically. See, it's not hard and you're doing great. Let's go ahead and let's practice. Just listen and repeat. I eat food. I eat food. I go home. I go home. I feel happy. I feel happy. Alright, and that is how you improve. You just use simple repetition over and over until you get used to it, and then you can use that word without thinking. So the thing is that to learn English, it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need big words. You don't need difficult grammar at the beginning. You just need simple words like eat, go, and happy. And then you build from there. And honestly, if you practice these every day, even for just a few minutes, you start to feel more confident. And with that, that is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you feel a little bit more comfortable with English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and don't worry about mistakes. They're part of the process. Again, this is Adam, and this was English with Adam. Keep on practicing and have a good day.